Hello my dear students, you all are welcome in your class. Today let us discuss about the aspect of globalization. We have already discussed about the meaning, definition and factors of globalization in our previous video. Now let us talk about the aspects of the globalization. There are the various aspects of globalization like as industrial globalization, financial globalization, political, information and cultural globalization also. In the industrial globalization, that is also known as the transnationalization. It refers to rise and expansion of multinational and transnational enterprises. In the meantime, today there is a spread of multinational industries at global level. As the industrialists are free to set up their industries anywhere in the world. Where they find the situation suitable, they have set up their industry at that place. They do not want to waste their time and money in the transportation of raw material. Rather, wherever they get cheap raw material and cheap labor, they set up their industrial unit at that place. In these days, the developing countries are providing all types of facilities to industrialists of developed countries to set up their industries in their own country. As a result of this, so many industrialists and multinational companies have installed their industries in developing countries. In the return of this, the industrialists from India and few other countries have brought industrial units in the developed countries of Europe and other countries also. This is also known as the industrial aspect of globalization. Second one, financial globalization. It refers to emergence of worldwide financial market and better access to external financing for corporate, national and subnational borrowers. For better understanding, we can say the money can be transferred from one country to another country within the minutes and seconds through core banking and internet service. Different countries have also liberalized the condition of the currency exchange, and all this can be called financial aspect of globalization. Next one, political globalization. Political globalization, it refers to spread of the political sphere of the interest to regions and countries outside the neighborhood of the political actor and the potential formation of a global citizen movement. In the political globalization, the rich country and the powerful country by giving the help to the poor nations to establish their political influence over them. The rich countries have their hegemony over the international financial institution like WB, International Monetary Fund, WTO, etc. They make use of the according to their own wishes. It means to say अपनी political domination ਜਿਹੜੀ ਆ ਹੈਜੇਮਨੀ ਐਸਟੈਬਲਿਸ਼ ਕਰਨ ਦੇ ਲਈ ਜੋ ਰਿਚ ਕੰਟਰੀਜ਼ ਨੇ ਉਹ ਪੂਅਰ ਕੰਟਰੀਜ਼ ਦੇ ਉੱਪਰ ਆਪਣਾ ਇੰਪੈਕਟ ਪਾਉਣ ਦੇ ਲਈ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਹੈਲਪ ਪ੍ਰੋਵਾਈਡ ਕਰਦੇ ਨੇ ਤਾਂ ਕਿ ਉਹ ਆਪਣੀ ਪੋਲੀਟੀਕਲ ਹੈਜੇਮਨੀ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਆ ਐਸਟੈਬਲਿਸ਼ ਕਰ ਸਕਣ। ਨੈਕਸਟ ਵਨ, ਇਨਫੋਰਮੇਸ਼ਨ globalization. It refers to increase the information flows between the geographically remote location. As a result of the widespread of the information technology in the end of the 20th and the beginning of the 21st century, the world has become very small. Any small incident which takes place in the corner of the world spread very fast all over the world. Because of this, it is said that no nation can do anything secretly. In the spread of the information and the telephone, satellite, internet, television, radio, newspaper, magazines, etc., they played an important role and have helped in the mutual exchange of information among the different nations. Next one, cultural globalization. In the cultural globalization, it refers to growth of the cross-culture context. Cross-culture context, it means to say, we can say, in the meantime, there is no any country can claim the cultural purity. Punjab, for example, Punjabi pop music is very popular in the nightclubs of the European countries. Similarly, Western pop music has become the heartbeat of the youth in the country of East, and all can be called cultural aspect of globalization. Another example, food habits and clothing habits also affected through the cultural globalization. Globism. It refers to the universal internationalist impulse that world is connected. Most of the political thinkers and the Marxists in the particular consider the globalization of the international market whose purpose is to convert the entire world into a open market. As being the concept globism is going to be spread day by day also. These all are the aspects of globalization.